Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health, Beauty and Mind by Raj. I hope you all are doing great. I have been really busy with kids because they were on school holidays, so I haven't been able to make any food videos, healthy food recipe videos. So I've decided to do that quickly and share my recipe that I have been eating in my weight loss journey with you guys. So stay with me and let me show you what I'm going to make today. It's going to be a vegetarian dish with soya vadi. You can get this from any Indian store. You can get a small or a big packet. I've got a big one. So I've been eating this a lot. It's my favorite. I'm vegetarian, so this is kind of a meat for me. I get all the protein from soya. So stay with me. Let's get started. So what I have to do first is I have to boil this. So you gotta boil this for 5 minutes. As you can see, my water is boiling at the back, and I'm just gonna put that in for 5 minutes until it's soft, and then I'll show you what's next. Alright, now I'm boiling my soya vadi in the water for 5 minutes until they are soft. So now the soya is all boiled. As you can see, it's all soft. I just like to squeeze out the extra water, but they're still moist. I'm now going to marinate these and I'll show you what's next. So I've got my soya in my bowl now. I'm going to add the spices in it. So these are the things I'm going to use. I'll show you what it is. I've got my spices here. And here I have vegetables, capsicum, cauliflower, garlic paste, green chilies, onion which is crushed, and some ginger, crushed ginger, and this is the cornstarch, and that's all you need. I usually make my soya without vegetables. If I have to make it quickly, I just add the spices and ginger and garlic paste, and that's it. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So you need salt, red chili powder, some turmeric, garam masala, and that's it from the spices. Now I'm going to add all the vegetables. So now I'm going to add garlic, ginger, chilies, as well as all my vegetables. This is the quickest way to cook this dish, and I'm going to use my hands, they're clean. And also I like to add some chaat masala. You can also get that from the Indian store. This gives a bit chatpata flavor in it, like a sour, nice savory flavor. And now this is the time I need to add the cornstarch. Just gonna see if I need to add the whole thing. After mixing everything together, I like to add my favorite tamarind chutney. I sometimes make this at home, but this time I'm going to use from the container. And again, mix everything together and making sure your hands are clean. So this is gonna give a bit of sweet and sour, again the same flavors, and that's it. I like to add some of the chutney after I cook it. So let's cook this now. Now in my pan I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil. You don't need too much. That's the best about this recipe. You don't need much oil in it. And once the oil is hot, my pan was already hot, so I can see the oil is now hot enough. And I'm just going to add the whole thing. Can you hear the sizzle? The best part. You just put everything in the pan and just keep mixing and cooking together. I love that sizzle noise. Love it. It doesn't take long and everything gets cooked so quickly and it's all together and it's so yummy. This can be eaten during lunch or your dinner time. So we'll wait until it's, as you can see, it's starting to turn into a brown color here. So we'll just wait until it's all cooked. Now this is optional. I like to add my cooked soya in my air fryer just to get them crispy, because I like them a bit crispy, not too soft. So I'll show you how they look when they're crispy. So I put the half of my soya in the air fryer to get them more crispy, because I like crispy. So while I'm cooking my soybean in the air fryer, I'm gonna clean my kitchen and get ready to eat. And just to let you know that you need to cook that for 10 minutes for 195 degrees Celsius. Depending on how crispy you want and how quickly you want. I want them to go crispy very quickly, so I just did it on 195, or you can do it on 180, between 180 to 195. So it all depends on what you want or how quickly you want it. So I can't wait to eat. So I'll show you how they look like when they're done. So my soya chunks or my soya vadi is now ready. It looks super delicious, crispy and cooked. As you can see, look at the color, look at how crispy it is. It's actually super crispy but still tender. It's yummy. All the vegetables are now crispy as well. My cauliflower and capsicum, beautifully cooked. So that's what I eat. So that's what I eat for my lunch and dinner at least 2 days a week. And I like to add mushroom gravy as well on the side. I'll share the recipe in my next video, how to make mushroom gravy at home. It's super delicious. It gives you nice flavor to it as well. So stay with me, stay tuned for the next videos, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Thank you for watching them. So do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because if I post a new video, you will miss out if you haven't subscribed my channel. So do not miss out my videos. If you like to watch them, do subscribe and like and comment if you did like my video. So this was a very simple recipe, very quick. So you should try if you like to eat vegetarian food and you want healthy to lose weight, as well as it has protein, it has all those nutrients that you get from the meat. If you're vegetarian and you're lacking that in your body, so try this. This is super delicious, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So I'm going to eat and enjoy my food. I'll see you next time. Bye.